Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of investing? Maybe you've heard it's risky, complicated, or only for the rich. What if I told you that anyone, including you, can start investing today with just a little knowledge and confidence? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to start investing in 2024. Even if you're a complete beginner, let's make this the year you take control of your financial future. Investing is not just for millionaires or Wall Street experts, it's for anyone who wants to grow their money over time. Think about this. If you leave your money in a regular savings account, it's earning almost nothing due to inflation. But when you invest, your money works for you, growing while you go about your day. In this video, I'll break down investing into simple steps so you can start with confidence even if you only have $50 to spare. Ready? Let's dive in. Investing simply means putting your money into something that can grow in value over time. The goal: to make your money work harder for you. Here are a few common types of investments. Stocks. Owning a small part of a company. When the company does well, so does your investment. Bonds. Lending money to governments or companies in exchange for interest. ETFs and index funds. A collection of stocks or bonds bundled together for easy and diversified investing. Real estate. Buying property to rent or sell for profit. For beginners, starting with stocks or ETFs is usually the easiest and most accessible. Before you start investing, ask yourself these questions. What's my goal? Are you saving for retirement, a home, or general wealth building? How long can I leave my money invested? The longer, the better, as it gives your investments more time to grow. What's my risk tolerance? Can you handle ups and downs in the market without panicking? For most beginners, a long-term approach where you leave your money invested for at least 5 to 10 years is the best way to build wealth. To start investing, you'll need a brokerage account. Think of it as the place where you buy and sell investments. Here's how to get started. Choose a reliable platform. Popular options include insert relevant platforms in your region. Many offer user-friendly apps, low fees, and educational tools. Sign up and verify your identity. This usually takes just a few minutes. Fund your account. Start with whatever amount you're comfortable investing. No need for thousands of dollars. If picking individual stocks feels intimidating, don't worry. ETFs and index funds are perfect for beginners because they offer instant diversification. What does diversification mean? It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Instead of betting on one company, an ETF spreads your money across many companies. For example, the S&P 500 Index Fund lets you invest in the 500 largest US companies, like Apple, Google, and Amazon. These funds are low cost and safer than trying to pick individual stocks. You don't need a large lump sum to start. Instead, try dollar cost averaging, a simple strategy where you invest a fixed amount regularly, like $50 or $100 each month. Here's why it works. It takes the stress out of timing the market. You'll buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, balancing out your costs over time. Starting out, it's easy to make mistakes. Here's how to avoid them. Don't invest money you'll need soon. The stock market is best for long-term growth. Avoid emotional decisions. If the market drops, don't panic. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Don't follow the crowd blindly. Always do your research and invest in what you understand. Investing is a journey, not a sprint. It takes time for your money to grow. That's why patience is key. To stay informed, read books or follow credible financial blogs. Watch videos like this one to keep learning. Track your investments, but don't obsess over daily ups and downs. Starting is the hardest part, but you're already ahead just by watching this video. Here's your next step. Open a brokerage account. Pick a simple ETF or index fund to start. Set up automatic monthly investments, even if it's just $50. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing tips. And tell me in the comments, what's your first investing goal? Remember, The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Let's make 2024 the year you take charge of your financial future.